disappeared. I can put on my fake and almost real pair of wings, and I can play with the wind and lay on it and just drift in. I might get hurt, I might lose things, but I know I'll reach this star. Someday I'll find a secret path to a greater hope, a better sky to fly away from. I never thought I could dive in the sea this long without breathing. The sound of silence is breaking my ears, but I'm free, so I'll stay still. I can let myself go and forget all the craziness of this world down